Hey everybody, Chris Honig here at MarineMax Wrightsville Beach, and today I'm aboard the brand new redesigned 2025 Sea Ray 210 SPX Outboard. Sea Ray did a great job listening to customer feedback and really did an excellent job of redesign from the keel up, which we're going to go over a lot of great features today. On the back of the transom, we have the upgraded Mercury V6 200. Very quiet motor, lots of torque, great horsepower for all your sports, water sports, and then with the boat loaded out, gets up on plane very easily and handles excellent. Digital throttle and shift also comes along with the 200. On the back of the swim platform, one of my favorite features is being able to have easy access on and off the boat from any angle. So port side access on, starboard side access easy. You have your dive ladder underneath, so this can pop up in a good slide out ladder that goes down, not a cheap little flip over ladder. So another one of those little details that Sea Ray listened to customer feedback and did a great job with. Another change is the new fixed seat with backrest here. This entire seat comes up with storage underneath and access to your bilges. And this is in the dune interior color with the sea deck as well in the dune in color. Beautiful black hull, which you'll see from the pictures. And then we did the sports tower with bimini on here to really accentuate all the features on this boat. Stepping down in through the walk-through of the swim platform down into the cockpit area. Some nice, good, deep seating down below. Very comfortable angles with your backrests, but this is the L-shaped seating setup right here. You have access to a fixed cooler with drain underneath, storage on your port side, and then a nice configuration with your port side lounger. You have a seat that will come up to give you more legroom access, and then obviously your reverse pilot lounger can give you reverse or forward seating on the boat. Another seat back here. This is where you're really gaining the room in the 210 SPX versus the 190, but great shade coverage with the sports tower, and then can fold everything up or take everything off if you want the sunshine on the boat. And then this whole tower can lay down right on top of the windshield, so it gives you some extra protection if you get into a storm, and then great for storage options with low ceiling clearances. Very comfortable helm seat. This is full 360 helm seat that can adjust also forward and backwards, and then great seating position with your windshield. You can sit down below and still be underneath the windshield. And then we have the Simrad GPS chart plotter, acrylic dash, all new dash setup with Sea Ray on the 210, but very comfortable with helm controls. Push start stop with your digital throttle and shift, and then active engine trim. You have cell phone chargers everywhere on this boat, and your lockable storage on the port side. So a lot of nice new features on here. Big ski locker underneath with a rubberoid mat, so you can put your stern anchor, your big cover for the boat, so you'll have a snap-on bow cover and cockpit cover. But great layout for the 210 SPX. Now we get into the bow of the boat. We have the filler cushion with backrests all laid in right now, so very comfortable seating. This filler cushion also acts as a windscreen, so when you have your windshield over, everybody's protected behind you. And then with ease of access, this will all slide out to then take out the other filler cushion to give you easy access onto the boat. But very comfortable seating up here in the helm, or in the bow of the boat with nice backrests. And then your separate anchor locker, which I love, to be able to not have to dig under the seats, because now you'll have excess storage underneath the seats on the boat. 8'6" beam on here, so really stable. It's actually 23 feet overall length, and it gives you a great layout from bow to stern to do all your fun water sports, go out to your favorite sandbar, or just cruise the ICW. So if you'd like to see this boat or any others, please give me a call at Chris Honig at 910-256-8100, and look forward to seeing you out in the water soon.